Welcome to 8219 Rangers Path, nestled in the quiet and well-established Manors of Nottingham community. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers a split-bedroom floor plan and sits on a generous 0.30-acre lot with vinyl privacy fencing, a double gate, a storage shed, and an additional covered patio, perfect for outdoor enjoyment. Inside, you'll find wood and tile flooring throughout the main areas, with carpet in the bedrooms. Flooring credit is negotiable. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, a slim microwave, bar seating, and a cozy breakfast nook. The primary suite includes a walk-in closet, updated ensuite bathroom with dual sinks and a walk-in shower with seating, plus sliding glass doors that open to a large, insulated Florida room with its own wall AC unit. The guest bath offers a tub/shower combo and updated single-sink vanity. The 2-car garage is equipped with a fold-down workbench and shelving that stays. Additional highlights include a recently inspected roof with 30-year shingles and approximately 15 years of life remaining, a 2015 AC unit that's been serviced by Payne annually, and a septic drain field that's already been replaced. A wet well is also in place, just add a pump if desired. HOA is only $190 per year and covers management and common area maintenance. Please note, no rentals are permitted within the first year of ownership per hour.o.a. This home offers comfort, functionality, and pride of ownership throughout. Call today for your private tour. Seller is offering a credit toward buyer's choice.